Boom! What up? It's your favorite YouTuber, Maximus Rex. Subscribe or suffer. Welcome to a new video. Today I talk about mewing at night. One may ask, how do I mew at night? Well, you don't. At least you don't do it consciously. At night, your subconsciousness takes over and controls all of your body. If you've just mewed for a very short time, you've just started out, mewing won't be your default position. You will find it hard to mew, even you will have difficulties breathing. But if you mew for a prolonged period of time, for months and months, mewing will become your default position. Then when you go to bed, you lay on your pillow, your tongue will automatically go and touch your palate. You will go into the mewing tongue position yourself. Don't force it. It will come naturally. At this point, most of you are probably done. But I know a lot of people who are into looksmaxxing are also into sleep maxing, including myself. Mouth taping. Mouth taping prevents mouth breathing at night, which damages you, makes you ugly, sick and ill. If you mouth tape like this, it's way too big and way too tight, then your subconsciousness will feel restrained, imprisoned. And then I have difficulties. I wake up and I feel my teeth are kind of clashing in the night. So, if you want to mew at night and mouth tape at night, only take a small stripe. Have a little bit of freedom here. Then everything will be fine and okay. And that's it. Nothing complicated, nothing special. Just take your time and don't mouth tape too harshly. That's about it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have questions, leave a comment. I'm your favorite YouTuber, Maximus Rex. Subscribe or suffer, and we'll see us in the next video. Yeah! Victor! Victor! Victor!